The upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is now closer than ever, and the latest leaks just confirmed it. But that's not all. DJI is preparing multiple launches in 2026, including a brand new drone that could rival the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and a shocking price drop that no one expected. Recent warehouse images show DJI has already started shipping dummy units of the Pocket 4 in massive quantities. Now, this is important. Companies only send dummy units when they are very close to launch. The leak comes from trusted insider Igor Bogdanov, who confirmed 3 major DJI products for 2026. The DJI Avata 360, the Leo drone series, and of course, the Pocket 4. Warehouse boxes even show UN3481 battery labels, meaning these are real production stage shipments, not early prototypes. All signs point to one thing: a launch window between April and May 2026. Earlier this year, a prototype of the Pocket 4 appeared in a hands-on clip at a DJI retail store. From what we saw, the classic compact gimbal design is still here, a possible built-in LED light for vloggers, and the same ultra-portable form factor creators love. If this is true, DJI is refining, not reinventing, what already worked. Now let's talk about the real surprise, the DJI Lato X1. This drone is already being called a Mini 5 Pro killer. Here's why. Under 249 grams, no registration needed in many regions. A powerful 1/1.3-inch sensor, up to 4K 120 FPS video, and beginner-friendly features like downward obstacle sensing. It's expected to replace entry-level models like the DJI Mini 4K and DJI Mini SE. With a rumored price of $350, this could be one of DJI's most important releases for new creators. And now, the craziest part. The DJI Neo is now selling for just $149. Yes, seriously. Originally launched at $199. Dropped to $159 during Black Friday. And now at its lowest price ever. In some cases, with discounts, people are getting it for under $100. And remember, this is still a 4K drone. So here's the big picture. DJI is about to dominate every price segment in 2026, Pocket 4 for creators, Lato X1 for beginners, and Neo for budget buyers. The only question is, which one are you upgrading to? Let me know in the comments, and stay tuned, because the official Pocket 4 launch could happen any day now.